All right, here's lesson one, personal finance. We're talking about income and expenses. So we have a bunch of different types of expenses: recurring, variable, unexpected, and then each of those can be regular or variable. So recurring expenses are things that occur on a regular basis, and they're the same amount every month. Variable expenses vary from month to month, so how much gas you're putting in your car, if you're going to a restaurant, if you're getting different amounts of groceries. And unexpected costs are surprises, things that you didn't plan on, but they just happen. So what we're going to do here is we're going to circle unexpected, underline variable, and star recurring. So let's start with the recurring expenses. So things that stay the same amount every month. So a car payment, that stays the same amount every month. Insurance stays the same amount every month. Your cell phone bill should stay the same amount unless you go over on your minutes or whatever. Your rent stays the same amount. Gym membership stays the same amount. And that looks to be it. Underline variable, so stuff that changes from month to month. Well, I spend different amounts every month on clothing, on eating out, on groceries, on gas, the movies, video games, recreation. Your utilities will vary from month to month. Vacation, if you're saving up for vacation, might vary from month to month. Now, unexpected expenses. Well, for sure, car repairs are unexpected, and maybe gifts are too. Like you forgot about somebody's birthday, or that's kind of coming up. So those are kind of unexpected ones. So in this next bit, we're going to have to classify some of the things from income and expense. Now, if we go back up here, types of income, regular income is money you're getting in, and regular income is stuff that doesn't change every month, like a set salary, and variable would be like if you're doing odd jobs or you get some birthday money or that type of thing. A couple other terms. Surplus means your income is bigger than your expenses, so you save money, and deficit means that you're losing money on your budget. So let's classify some income and expenses. So a paycheck, we've got $500. Gas would go into an expense, so $34.86. Cell phone bill, that's an expense, it's $42.89. New work boots, also an expense. Another paycheck, that's income. Birthday money from parents, that's income. Car loan, that's an expense. A new hard hat, that's an expense. And eating out, also an expense. Oops. $25.78. So we're going to add up these three. So 500 plus 500 plus 100. So we have $1,100 in income. And let's total up our expenses. So $34.86 plus $42.89 plus $189.54 plus $275 plus $29.95 plus $25.78. So the total is $598.02. Which incomes are regular and which are variable? Well, the paycheck, they're regular, so they're the same amount. And the variable income is the birthday money, because that doesn't happen all the time. Now, the expenses, are they recurring, variable, or unexpected? So gas in your car, well, that's a variable. Cell phone bill, that's probably recurring. New work boots, that's kind of unexpected. Car loan payment, that's recurring. It's going to be the same amount every month. New hard hat, that's unexpected. And eating out will be variable. Will Janice have a surplus or a deficit? Well, if she makes $1,100, and she's spending $598.02, she still has, $1,100 minus $598.02. She still will have $500, $501.98. So she is in a surplus situation. Here's another example. We have some income and we have some expenses. If she has an unexpected car repair, so we got to add these up. We got to add all these up, as well as a car repair that costs $243.25. So $450 times 4, the income is $1,800. The expenses, let's add up all the expenses. So $775 plus $225.39 plus $74 plus $66.79 plus $47.59 plus $84 plus $250, and then the unexpected car repair of $243.25. All right, so her total here is $1,766.02. So it looks like she has just enough money to cover it. So if we take $1,800 and we subtract $1,766.02, she can save $33.98 a month. And that was $1,800 minus $1,766.02. All right, Franklin earns that amount each month, $2,456, and he expects these expenses. If he saves the rest, how much will he save in a year? So this is per month, but the question is asking per year. So whatever the per month costs are, we got to multiply by 12 months in a year. All right, so the income is $2,456.85, and we got to figure out how much he's spending. So let's add up all the expenses. So $1,250.46 plus $250 plus $135.76 plus $50 plus $245 plus $250 and $100. So the total here is $2,281.22. So if we subtract all this, he's saving $175.63 per month. Now the question asks per year, so we got to take that $175.63 and multiply it by 12 to figure out the yearly savings. So in 1 year, he'll save that amount, $2,107.56. All right, here's the classwork that you can go ahead and practice.